With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, we need to find what is the angle of deviation which is suffered by the light ray shown in the figure for the following two conditions, and the refractive index of the prism material is given as to be 3/2. Now in the first case, the prism is placed in air. Now when it is placed in air, so the refractive index of this medium would be equals to 1, and here the refractive index would be equals to what? It is 3 divided by 2. Now what is the angle of this deviation? Now for example, in this condition, this is the path of the incident ray, so we call this as to be our IR. And let's suppose this is our emergent ray which is coming out. So we say that this emergent ray is making an angle with the this incident ray, direction of the incident ray, or we can say that this incident ray is turned by some angle to match with the this emergent ray. This is our angle of deviation delta. Now how is the angle of deviation given? Angle of deviation delta is given as to be, there is a direct formula with respect to the refractive index, and A is the angle of the prism, this angle. So it is given as to be mu relative minus 1 times the angle of the prism. Okay, now in the first case, we first of all we just calculate for the first case what would be the delta. So it would be equals to, what is mu relative? So the refractive index of the medium is 3 divided by 2. Now relative refractive index would be equals to refractive this mu r would be equals to refractive index of the prism divided by refractive index of the medium in which we have placed this. Now in this condition, we have placed it in here where the refractive index is 1, if we subtract is 1, and A value is 3. So what would be this? It would be 3 divided by 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1 divided by 2. So it is 1 divided by 2 into 3. It would turn out to be 1.5 degree. So this is the first part. Now in the second part, refractive index of the medium is given as to be 4 divided by 3. So we calculate the delta. Delta would be equals to refractive index of the prism is 3/2 divided by refractive index of the medium, it is 4 divided by 3. We subtract minus 1, and then we multiplied it with the angle of the prism. This is 1. So angle of the prism is 3. Now if we calculate this would turn out to be what? So 3 would be in the numerator. 3 multiplied by 3 would be equals to 9. 4 multiplied by 2, it would be equals to 8 minus 1 multiplied by 3. If we take the LCM, LCM would turn out to be what? It would turn out to be 8. So it would be 9 minus 8, it would be equals to 1. So 1 multiplied by 3, this would be in the multiplication. 1 multiplied by 3 would be equals to 3 divided by 8. So this would be the deviation. Okay, this would be in degrees. So these are the two answers. For one case it is 1.5, another case it is equals to 3 divided by 8 degree. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.